Hi dear students, here I am with the most relevant maths practice question paper for the forthcoming board examination for class 10. This paper is designed as per the latest sample question paper released by CPSC. It is made in such a way that you all get enough idea to attempt the maths question paper comfortably in exam hall. So here we go. As you see, it's already being mentioned in the general instruction that the question paper has total 5 sections, sections A, B, C, D, E. Section A has 20 questions, all are MCQs. Section B has 5 questions but short answer type questions carrying 2 marks. Section C also having 6 questions of short answer type carrying 3 marks. Section D has 4 long answer type questions carrying 5 marks, and most importantly, section E has 3 case-based questions carrying 4 marks each. Internal choice or part has been provided in 2 questions of 2 marks, in 2 questions of 3 marks, in 2 questions of 5 marks, and internal choice also being provided in one question in the case-based questions. Now you see, this is your section A. As I have already mentioned, then it has 20 questions, all are MCQs. So these questions, suppose now I'm showing it from question 1 to 4. So these are the questions which are very common on questions in board exams, or you say they are very important questions for a board exam preparation. So now 5 to question number 5 and question number 6, they are also MCQ based questions and common questions in board examination. So similarly, from 7 to 11, here again the MCQs which are taken either from your different previous year papers or from other reference books. So question number 12 to 16 also the MCQ based question here once again. So these questions you can all practice thoroughly to have an clear-cut idea what type of MCQ based questions can be asked in exams. Now 17 and 18 are the last 2 MCQ based questions. So here once again the questions are asked considering the critical thinking required to solve the question papers. Now as you know, question 19 and 20, they are the assertion and reason questions, where the questions you need to understand the assertion, you need to understand the reason, whether they're true or false, and accordingly you have to select the correct options. Now coming to section B, it has 5 questions of 2 marks each. So here I'm showing that 5 questions of 2 marks. So to attempt these questions, once again I'm saying you must have a thorough knowledge on the topics that are included in your math syllabus, right? So now coming to section C, these are also very common questions or previously asked questions. So to go through the questions, there are, as you know, 6 questions will be asked. There will be 2 hours. So these are the 6 questions of 3 marks. Okay, some questions are also from trigonometry. So now coming to section D, which have 4 questions of 5 marks. So as you know, they are long answer type questions. Sometimes the question might be divided into sub questions. So for example, question number 32 is a 5 mark question, but it is divided into sub questions like 1 and 2. So these questions are also required lots of proper idea or proper knowledge or critical thinking to solve it, right? Now the last question also of 5 marks, 35 I'm showing here right now, it has also divided into sub questions. So you must understand the question and then attempt it thoroughly. The most important part of the question paper is the section E, because it contains 3 case-based questions, and as you all know, if you do not read thoroughly, if you do not understand the question properly, it is difficult to attempt case-based questions. So that is why case-based questions always are important, because they also do not come common directly from any books. So you need to comprehend the question, and that's why you need some time to read these questions and comprehend in the exam hall. So question number 36 is a case-based questions based on the chapter triangle. Question 37 here once again is a case-based question. It is based on the chapter quadratic equations, right? And lastly, the question number 38, it is also a case-based questions from the chapter statistics. So this is the last question. There will be 38 questions in the question paper. So to understand this, all these questions how to attempt, you must revise it thoroughly and then attempt this practice paper soon. So this practice paper I'll be uploading in my YouTube channel very soon. So please subscribe my channel to get updated more on such question papers which will be uploaded in my channel time to time. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you one and all.